this is my scrap material that was left from my pants tutorial, so I decided to use this crop top shirt that I have from H&M actually. So I'm here just sorting out my material. Because this was a scrap, I couldn't have the stripes just fall horizontally, so I just decided to be creative with it. You'll just see in a bit that I decided to have some stripes horizontal, some stripes vertically, because of the different pieces. The pieces were not big enough to support the direction of the stripes. As a fashion designer or a seamstress, you know at times you have to play around with your materials just to use them to the best of it, so that you don't have anything go to waste. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel. Thank you. I went ahead to just put the material together using a stitch. I used an overlocker, but you can also use any normal stitch so that I can be able to cut a whole top. My creative ability worked, guys, worked magic. You'll see how beautifully it came out. Look at that, look at that, I love it. Front or back piece to create the second piece for the top, but the bottom part of it couldn't work, so I just decided to curve the bottom part of my crop top, and it looked stylish, it looked trendy, so yeah, I went on with it. Guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them.
before, with every project that you do, an iron has to be your best friend. So just make sure that you have your iron handy just to press down your seams so that it looks perfectly superb and neat. For the hem, I decided to use the hem tape. I've used it before in one of my tutorials. Basically, the hem tape you just need an iron and you need water, a spray of water, and yeah, and you're good to go. Just follow the tutorial.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them.